Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through troubleshooting the access denied error, indicating you do not have permission to access this server. And now, let's get started. When you encounter the access denied message, a few common culprits can be at play. First, try clearing your browser's cache. You can usually do this by clicking on the three dots in your browser, navigating to History, selecting the bin symbol, and then clicking on Clear. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Next, let's check your internet settings. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run window. Type the command internetcpl.cpl and press Enter. This will open the Internet Properties window. Go to the Connections tab, and then click on LAN Settings. Ensure that Automatically Detect Settings is checked. It is also crucial that the Use a Proxy Server option is unchecked. It should remain unchecked. Click OK, then Apply, and finally OK again. Once these initial steps are completed, a vital next step is to ensure your Windows is up to date. Right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, and click on Check for updates in the right pane. Installing the latest updates can often fix underlying system issues that might be causing access problems. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.